So guys, in today's video, we are going to look at what happens next once you pass the high stake 2-phase challenge with the 5%ers. All right, I passed my challenge. As a matter of fact, the first stage, I passed it in a day, but they have certain conditions which I will explain it to you guys in the video. So stick through to the end of the video because I have some personal experience that I learned from them that I think I can give it to you guys and that will help you easily manage their challenges. So guys, here we are in my email. I passed the challenge yesterday, and once you pass it, immediately guys, they send you the funded accounts. And this is the thing that I like about the 5%ers. Let's go through the things that they send to us. This is the first message, and the second message that they send to us is this. Rise. The message says that you've been invited by the 5%ers Online Limited to join their team on Rise and create your profile. Okay, good. So before we do this, let me take you to my dashboard. All right, so guys, here we are on my dashboard. All right, and this is the first phase. Okay, and this is the second phase that I completed yesterday. Okay, the challenge. Now guys, a quick tip with the 5%ers. Me personally, I just don't like about how their rules and regulations are in terms of passing the challenge. Okay, in the area of the minimum trading days. You know, FTMO has the minimum trading days, which is 4, meaning that in 4 days they want to see you actively open a trade. On the contrary, with these guys, it's not a minimum trading days just like that. With these guys, you have to make 0.50% of the capital that you are trading, and you have to be able to make this percentage in 3 days. So what is my tip for you guys? My tip for you guys is, if you have a strategy that always have a risk to reward ratio, fixed one, okay, so you are risking 1 and your take profit will be maybe 2 or 3, then that is good. Every time you enter into your trade, when it goes into your take profit, you'll probably make more than that percentage that they are talking about. So you will find it in 3 setups, 4 setups, then you will pass your challenge. Conversely, if your strategy is like my own, which as so far I've not found anything as such in the trading industry. With my type of strategy, it is a semi-intraday and swing trading strategy. So when I get into the market with one setup and everything is on point, I can pass the 1 phase. That is how incredible my strategy is, that you need patience for the setup to show. As you guys can see, from drawdown, we move all the way up, you see, and we pass the challenge. Okay, so I had to find different days to trade whereby I will make sure that I get this thing done. All right, now I won't get much into my strategy, okay, because that is not the scope here. Okay, so you guys, again, you can see, went into drawdown, then from there, you see, here we are, and we pass the challenge. All right, so let's go to verification. Now you see that they've shown me here funded, right? Let's open it together and let's see. So with these people, you will be carrying it along with you. So that minimum 3 trading days that you'll be having in the first challenge, second challenge, even when you are funded, they need you to still do that. It is what it is. Guys, at the end of the day, you have to roll with the punch. All of these guys have their rules. You understand me? This that maybe I don't like, maybe someone else, per the way their strategy is, it is just cool for them. All right? Go. So that is that. It's not my strategy that is not suitable for it. At the end of the day, you guys saw it. I pass it, but it just doesn't resonate with my personality. That's just some little thing. I will just put it there. So let's do I agree. I confirm the rules. Excellent. So guys, here is the funded account. So basically, I can even start trading. But before we do that, let us do the verification. Then we will go back to the email and we will see this other thing here that they sent to us. We will see what it is. All right, verify now. So guys, once you send them your documents and you press, this will be the next phase. So now you need to do a live check. So I will continue on my phone. Once you get your liveness verification done, then here you come here and they are asking you to a proof of address. Okay, so guys, they give you the opportunity to upload 2 documents, in which this one here is the main one that they need. Then this one is maybe an option. All right, continue. Okay, so here you just put in these 2 informations and you just proceed. All right, so let's wait and see how the address verification will go. Looks like everything went well. Save my data. Yes, since I'll be verification completed successfully. All right. So as I was telling you guys, you can see 12 hours ago, all right, 12 hours ago. So they send you their accounts even before you do the verification, all right. One cool thing about the 5%ers is that every challenge that you pass, they give you some money, all right. They give you 1% of the capital that you are trading. So yeah, and I think you can only use it to buy another prop firm challenge. Okay, so guys, about Rise. Okay, so you guys remember that at the beginning of the video, I told you that a 5%er sent us an invitation with Rise. So here is the invitation. I've gone through all the process. Okay, guys, it is very, very simple. Now, the idea behind this, guys, is that with FTMO, you will sign it directly on their platform. But with the 5%ers, they are connected to this third party called Rise, which is a payment platform. So in essence, what you have to do is go through a registration, the normal regular registration process on any platform that you will do. So you will put in your email, your address. Then because it is a payment platform, they will need your identity and proof of address. Okay, same thing more or less that we did with the 5%ers. All right, so you will do a liveness verification. At the end, you will receive a mail like this: your invite to join 5%er Online Limited has been accepted. Okay, so you will sign the contract with them. Once you follow the procedure, I will show you some few images. Once you are done with those procedures, they will tell you to sign this contract, and once you sign it, then it will be sent to the 5%ers. Then they too will sign it. All right, now 2 contracts you will sign. One is for 5%ers and one is for using that platform. All right, because obviously transaction will be going through that platform. Okay, so the first thing you will be seeing is this image here. All right, when you have to start to do the verification, you will see the welcome image. And once you've gone through all this stage, giving them all the details that you need to register on their platform, then they will show you the contract. Okay, immediately after that, it is an automatic recognition. Okay, then they will send you the contract and you will have to put in your signature. All right, so you see market strategist contract, okay, between you and the 5%ers. All right, good. So once you put your signature on it, your digital signature, and everything is done, then you will see this last image whereby they will say that thanks for completing your signature. All right, once it is done, they will show you these 2 contracts. Okay, so this first one here is for using their platform. Okay, everything that will happen on their platform. And this second here is the agreement for the service that 5%ers is providing to you. All right, so you will have these 2 contracts. The last thing is that at the end of the day, when everything is not complete, you will see that this action items, you will see it here. Once you have everything done, it will automatically disappear. You won't see it anymore. All right, and at the end, you should be able to see this on your dashboard. Then here, obviously, you will choose the payment method that is more convenient for you. All right, bank, whatever thing, crypto people. All right, so guys, that is that. I hope you did get a lot of value from this video. If you did, smash the like button. Make sure you do subscribe because we bring valuable videos like this. And yeah, if anything else you want me to help you fast track your trading journey, please, you can reach out to me on Instagram or put it in the comment section. If there is anything that you did not understand, put it in the comment section and I'll be more than glad to come in and contribute or answer you with your query. All right, having said that, I go by the name Sbac, and thank you very much for your time. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.